you. And again, too few to mention, I did what I had to do, and so it grew.
Hindi pala
Without
niya kayang
exception,
gamitin na todo.
I planned each solid course, each careful step along the byway, and more, much more than this. I did it my way. Yes, there were times
Akalain mo
I'm
kasi
sure
siya
you
tutupon
knew
niya.
when I did all